Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now it's been a while since I've shown you guys anything about the farming because I went on a break for a while. Now it's in April and I've decided I'm going to plant some melon. I don't normally farm in April still, but we've been getting a lot of rain here in St. Elizabeth and I decided to give it a try. Now guys, what you're seeing right here is the sweet pepper that I had from last fall. I've weeded it. I've got them weeded. Excuse me guys, I'm very tired. I just arrived on the farm and I'm very tired, so I'm kind of out of breath right now. So these have spring back over and they're bearing. So yesterday I picked some sweet pepper off this for sale, so this is still going on guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the melon area. Now from here right up at the top is melon. I get them planted yesterday. Yeah, I had some workers over here and they were planting it. So this is the drop seed method. So what I did yesterday, even after they had planted it, I got some Carachax and Diazon mixed with clear water, and I use a spray pan to spray it on the holes to keep off the insect and the pesticide from eating the seed, because as I said before, this is the drop seed method that I use. So it planted yesterday, so you won't see any germination process as yet. So I'm here this morning now to come and give them some water. So that's what I'm going to do right now, because there was no rain last night, so I'm gonna have to use the hand wet method to wet these, and I'm going to be watering these with so water. As you can see, one of the seed there to dig out. I'm gonna have to plant that back, and yes guys, that's what I'm gonna do. And over this section I plant Orion watermelon, and then I have some Crimson King also. So stay tuned guys.